In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales page in Framer. So whether you're building a page for a product, service, or event, this guide will help you design a professional and engaging sales page. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Framer. So on the upper right corner, you will see there the new project button. You can click on that if you want a fresh page. And then if you want a template one, you can search it. So in this case, I've already created a project in here. So click on that, and then to create a powerful first impression, you can start by adding a clear header like this. I use the large headline that defines the value of my product or service, and then you can also add a subheading for additional context or a slogan that reinforces the message, and then drag and drop an image or embed a video to showcase your product or service, and then make sure it aligns with your brand and helps explain what you're offering. And then you can use the image or embed blocks in Framer to add this content, and then create a section below the hero image to highlight the key features and benefits of your offerings. Note that this is optional, so it's up to you. So use Framer's text and image blocks to structure this part with bullet points, icons, or short descriptions that emphasize the value. And then after that, you can also input or insert a call to action button like buy now or learn more or message now or book now. It's up to you. And then after that, customize the button's style to match your page's color scheme, and then use Framer's interactive features to make the button clickable and link to your checkout or other relevant pages. And then add testimonials. It's optional. Reviews or clients' logos to build trust and encourage purchases. And you can also add a pricing section where you clearly display the cost of your product or service. Consider adding a comparison table or highlighting any special discounts or offers. And then add a footer at the bottom of the page with links to your terms and conditions, privacy policy, and contact information. You can also include social media icons and other ways of visitors to connect with you. So once your page is designed, click on the preview button to see how it looks on different screen sizes and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks great and works smoothly. So whether you want a different sizes, it's up to you. So when you're satisfied with your sales page, hit publish to make it live. And that's it. That's how you create a sales page in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.